morning, dear students, my friends, viewers, subscribers. You are supporting me very much. I observed, I watched the previous videos. Many subscribers, many viewers are there. I am very excited and energetic, and I am very happy that you are cooperating me, supporting me. You are giving me very good encouragement. For that, first of all, I would like to thank you a lot. As you are doing your cooperation for me, my morale is very high, and today I want to discuss to you about where is the problem or how can you speak English. Some methods I would like to give you. How can you speak English very well? Dear friends, students, if you want to become a good English speaker, first of all, you should become a good listener also. If you are a very good listener, you can speak English very well. Listening is very important for the English learner. That's why I am giving a lecture. You listen it. Many times if you listen, you can also speak English very well. Learning highway start from listening. When a child was baby, 2, 3, 4 years old, without grammar, that child learn language. He did not see or he or she did not learn grammar. Only they listen and they started speaking their language. Likewise, dear friends, students, if you listen daily English motivational speech or English lecture, after some time, no doubt you can also become a very good English speaker. Because if you listen, your word power will develop. If you listen, you can understand, you will be motivated, you will be active how to speak English. Without listening, friends, it is not possible. So daily make one routine in your life to listen videos. It is my experience. Second thing, reading is also very important. Reading means low level books you must read. Suppose standard third, standard second English medium, English book, social study, environment book, you should read that. If you read, your word power will develop, you will understand. After that, you can speak also. LSRW means listening, reading, writing, speaking. Okay. So for that, listening is important, reading is important. After that, one more problem is coming, friends. Suppose you want to speak English. Before speak English, you should improve your mother tongue also. If your mother tongue sentence is wrong, your English sentence will be wrong also. So you improve your mother tongue also. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन हिंदी, मैंने सुना किसी ने बोला कि आज मैंने छुट्टी मार दिया. छुट्टी मार दिया, ये सेंटेंस अपने आप में खुद रॉन्ग है, तो इसकी इंग्लिश भी आप नहीं बना पाओगे. इसके लिए पहले आप अपना हिंदी या मदर टंग को सही करो. करेक्ट योर मदर टंग. आफ्टर दैट यू ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंस इनटू इंग्लिश. If your mother tongue sentence is wrong, you cannot speak English better. It is my experience. I have experience where the learners are facing problem. Your mother tongue should be correct, and you should become a good listener and reader. After that, correct your mother tongue. One day, I give you guarantee, you can speak English like me also. My friends, today I am going to teach you about a new topic. It is a very important for you. I know many in that what I am going to teach you in English speakers use very much. Can. Last time I taught you about a can, could, will be able to. And today I am going to teach you should. Use of should be and should have. It is a very important for the English speakers. If you want to speaking English, it is a very important. Friends, where is should used? Should is used for advice, is used for suggestion. Suppose for example, you are a doctor. Any patient came to you and you will give some advice to the patient about the medicine. You should take this medicine this way, you should walk in the morning. सपोज आप एक टीचर हैं और बच्चे को आप एडवाइस दे रहे हैं कि आपको क्लास में अच्छे से बैठना चाहिए, अच्छे से पढ़ना चाहिए, अपने पेरेंट्स की बात मानना चाहिए। ये क्या है? एक एडवाइस है। अगर इस टाइप का एडवाइस आपको देना है तो शुड यूज करना पड़ता है। इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स यूज शुड वेरी मच। So today I am going to explain you about the use of should. Should here just like आपको टाइम से स्कूल आना चाहिए। You should come in time to the school. आपको थोड़ा देर इंतजार करना चाहिए। You should wait some time. आपको इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहिए। You should talk in English. आपको बाहर खड़े रहना चाहिए। You should stand outside. So you can understand with all subject. I should, we should, you should, they should, he should, she should. With all subject should and verb first form you can use. A very good this system in speaking English for giving advice and suggestion. Should is used. इसे आपको अच्छे से बात करना चाहिए तो you should talk mannerly. आपको अच्छे से लिखना चाहिए तो you should write properly. तो should is used for suggestion. Next point come should be. Actually be also there. जैसे आपको वहां बैठना चाहिए, आपको एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट बनना चाहिए। You should be a good student. आपको वहां रहना चाहिए। You should stay there. You should, आपको एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट बनना चाहिए। You should be a good student. आपको एक अच्छा इंसान बनना चाहिए। You should become a good student. So होना चाहिए, उसके लिए should be. After that should be and should have. जैसे आपको कंप्यूटर की जानकारी होना चाहिए। You should have computer knowledge. आपको एक स्मार्टफोन रखना चाहिए। You should have a smartphone. आपको देश के बारे में जानकारी होना चाहिए। You should have knowledge about the country. आपको हिंदी के बारे में अच्छी जानकारी होनी चाहिए। You should have proper knowledge about Hindi. So here should be, should have. These are very important in English. आपको मेरा मोबाइल नंबर रखना चाहिए। You should have my mobile number. आपको थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना चाहिए। You should have little patience also. आपको स्मार्टफोन रखना चाहिए। You should have smartphone. So should be बनना चाहिए, होना चाहिए। Should have रखना चाहिए and should चाहिए। चाहिए में आप एक और डाउट आपको आएगा want. अगर आप लोग मेरे को एक गिलास पानी चाहिए तो वहां आप should नहीं लगाएंगे, वहां want लगाएंगे। I want a glass of water because want is not a suggestion, not a advice. Want एक जरूरत है। Should use for only advice and suggestion. से आपको अपने मम्मी पापा का बात मानना चाहिए। You should obey your parents. आपको अंग्रेजी की जानकारी रखना चाहिए। You should have English knowledge. आपको एक महान इंसान बनना चाहिए। You should be a great person. This way आपको एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट बनना चाहिए। You should be a good student. आपको एक अच्छा लिसनर बनना चाहिए। You should be a good listener. So should be, should have रखना चाहिए। Should be होना चाहिए, बनना चाहिए। Should only चाहिए। So आपको इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहिए। You should talk in English आपको इंग्लिश स्पीकर बनना चाहिए। यू शुड बी अ गुड इंग्लिश स्पीकर। आपको इंग्लिश का नॉलेज रखना चाहिए। तो यू शुड हैव इंग्लिश नॉलेज। So I think you understand. It is used in a present tense only. In next video, I will tell you about the should have used in a past tense also. And so today is a very important for English speakers. It is very important. So dear friends and students, if you want to learn English really, should is very important for you and very easy with all subjects should. With all subjects should be, with all subjects should have. So very easy and you can learn English. You practice it many times. Not only read, listen many times. After that you practice, you make sentence yourself. You correct your Hindi language first. After that, no doubt you can speak English very well without hesitation. Practice is also very important, friends. And listening is important. After some time you read. So any English speaker, if you watch, should they use very much. Can is used. Whatever in previous videos I have explained, it is a very important for you. So my friends, today my video is this much only. Today I would like to focus about should be and should have. In next video I will teach you about next. So once more I would like to request you, my friend, you please subscribe me and press the icon bell is there, and you watch the video, you cooperate me, so that I can be encouraged, and day by day I will give you much more videos that will benefit you. Wish you, and at last I would like to thank my friend Mr. Pradeep sir, who is always supporting me, and his very positive attitude for me, and again I thanks him for his inspiration. I started these videos. Thanks to Pradeep sir and all my viewers and subscribers. Thanks, all the best.